morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am extremely excited. As you can see, the wheels are no longer here. I actually have them loaded up in the car, ready to go to my work. Like I said, it is really early. Sorry, I'm not a very energetic person in the morning, but we are getting ready to head out and go to my work. I've got them loaded up in my wife's car. She's gonna follow me to work so she can drop them off. And the blue car will be getting those wheels put on today. So really excited about that. Finally got my rear rotors for the car too. So I'm gonna be putting the rear rotors on the car, rear brakes, the RTR adjustable pan hard bar, getting the tires on, wheels, and alignment. So got a big car show coming up this weekend. Got the Speech and Society car show coming up, and then also the Cars and Coffee. So trying to get the blue car ready for the last car show of the season. I'm gonna have both the Shelby and the blue car set up at my brother's tent out there, which he has River City Speed, his own personal speed shop. So we're gonna have those two cars set up at the tent. But all right, guys, I'm gonna head over to work right now, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me so you guys can see the in-between and finished results. Hold tight.
Several days later.
All right, everybody, so I'm not going to do a lengthy video this time. A lot of stuff has happened since I started this a couple days ago, and I finally got the rear rotors in on the car. I've got my wheels on the car, which I'm getting ready to unveil to you now, and I wanted to bring you this content. Sorry, it's not a very long video. Things happen really fast. I'm actually having a little bit of issue with the brakes still. I think I need to go ahead and bleed them again because the pedal's going to the floor. I can pump them up and everything seems to be fine, and then it'll go to the floor before the car stops. So I think the brakes need to be bled. And then other than that, may need a master cylinder. I don't know yet. I'm going to find out. I'm going to bleed the brakes first and then see if the master cylinder is screwed up or not. But everything's done. Got the RTR pan hard bar on the car. I've got the wheels on the car, the front and rear rotors, front and rear brake pads. I ended up getting my Eibach camber bolts, put those in the car, and she's done. So not done, but she's done for now. So here she is. There is the new RTR wheel setup. These are the RTR Aero 7s on Nitto NT555 G2s. These are the two 75, 35, 20s up front. And then the backs have two 95, 35, 20s in the back. I think they look pretty good. At first I was kind of like, I felt like with these Aero 7s, this lip right here is so tall, and boom. But anyway, that lip is just so tall, and then you got the tire. It just makes it look like one big, truck tire, or just a really tall tire. Goop on the wheel that I got to get off. Anyway, but other than that, I mean, the car sits really well, I think. It's sitting on that front one pretty well. But, of course, there's the GT350. But that rear look, oh yeah, but there's the plate too. I forgot. I didn't know if I unveiled that to you guys or not, but that rear look with those wide tires looks really good on that car. So she's coming along. And thanks, huge shout out to Tate's Decals, hooking me up again with the decals for the back glass. He got me all set up with all my sponsors. He got me Anchor Room, River City Speed, Flint Speed, JLT, and of course SCT Performance. So she is looking good. She's coming along, and I just need to figure out this brake issue. So all right, guys, that is going to do it for this vlog. Sorry, I haven't really done a whole lot, but I'm really excited about how this car is looking, even if it's just a daily. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I plan on doing a lot more stuff to this car. Like I said, it is one of my main focuses right now. The Shelby obviously is still the star of the show, but this thing needs some love, and it's gonna get it. So all right, guys, Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Don't forget, tune in, and see you in the next one. Later.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD, doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time no one come through, take shots, but I'm coming through. Know that I'm shooting right back, killing them when I be dropping it.